Donald John Trump was born on June 1946 in Queens, New York City, to Fred Trump, a successful real estate developer, and Mary and MacLeod Trump, a Scottish immigrant. He was the fourth of five children. Trump attended the New York Military Academy for high school and later studied at Fordham University before transferring to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, graduating in 1968 with a Bachelor of Science in Economics. Trump joined his father's real estate business in the late 1960s and took control in 1971, renaming it the Trump Organization. He shifted focus to high-profile Manhattan projects, developing hotels, casinos, golf courses, and residential towers. Notable ventures include Trump Tower and various branded properties worldwide. His portfolio expanded into entertainment, including hosting The Apprentice and authoring bestsellers like The Art of the Deal. 1987, Trump faced business challenges, including casino bankruptcies in 1990, but maintained a prominent brand. Trump has been married 3 times to Ivana Zelnikova, with whom he has 3 children: Donald Jr., Ivanka, Ericto, Marla Maples, 1993 to 1999, with 1 daughter, Tiffany, and to Melania, now 2005 present, with 1 son, Barron. He has 10 grandchildren. Trump entered politics as a Republican, winning the 2016 presidential election against Hillary Clinton to become the 45th U.S. president. 2017 to 2021, his first term featured tax cuts, deregulation, criminal justice reform, Middle East peace deals, and strict immigration policies. He was impeached twice, but acquitted by the Senate. In 2024, Trump won re-election against Kamala Harris, becoming the 47th president, the second to serve non-consecutive terms after Grover Cleveland. He was inaugurated on January 2025 at age 78 upon election. He is the oldest person to assume the presidency. Second presidency, 2025 present. Trump's second term is focused on economic growth, border security, energy independence, and foreign policy realignments. He has signed numerous executive orders on issues like immigration deregulation and space policy. As of late December, 2025 efforts include advancing Ukraine-Russia peace negotiations, with progress reported after meetings involving Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and military modernization initiatives. Trump faced legal challenges post-2020, including a 2024 conviction on falsifying business records resulting in no punishment, making him the first convicted felon elected president. Trump remains a polarizing figure, celebrated by supporters for economic policies and America First approach, while critics cite controversies and Democratic concerns. Historians have ranked his first term among the lowest, though public opinion varies.